Modal verbs. Types. Modal verb. Examples. Type. Likelihood. Modal verb should and must. Examples. Her parents must be so proud. My baby brother should be asleep by now. Possibility. Modal verb could, may, or might. Example. Judging by the clouds, it might rain today. Ability. Can, cannot, or can't. Example. She can speak 3 languages but none of them well. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Type. Permission. Modal verb can, may, or could. Example. Students, you may leave early today. Could I play too? Request. Will, would, can, or could. Example. Would you get that box off the top shelf? Will you turn that music down? Suggestion, advice. Modal verb should. Example. You should try the lasagna. Type. Command. Modal verb must, have, or need. Example. You must wash your hands before cooking. You need to be here before 8. Obligation or necessity. Modal verb must, have, and need. We have to wait for our boss to arrive before we open. You don't need to come if you don't want to. Type. Habit. Modal verb would, will, used to. When I lived alone, I would fall asleep with music. I will arrive early to every meeting and leave late. Modal verbs asking permissions. Formal. Can. Can I have some cookies? Polite. Could. Excuse me, could I sit here, please? Informal. May. May I have a glass of water? Polite. Would. Would you like some help? Thanks for watching.